click Edit Image, and then let's see if we can move it to the right. We'll do that, and then Update. There we go. Now let's see what this looks like. It might look kind of crazy, but we'll see. Perfect. That's the About Us page. Now let's add, let's see. So this one's Fountain Contractor, Orange County. Okay. Break up this content a little bit. And where was it? Fountains, Orange County. And we did some keyword research and determined that Fountains, Orange County was typed in several times, so we targeted, it's probably over 100 times or so. It's such a specific keyword phrase, so we went ahead and targeted this pages for anyone looking, targeted this keyword for anyone looking for fountain contractors in Orange County. All right, so what we'll do is the same here. This is really important. Put this Fountains, Orange County in the title tag. So this is what the page is recognized for. You can put the phone number in here again. So we'll just put in, I can't remember it off the top of my head. And then we'll put in a brief description. And ideally you want to put in that keyword in there as well, in the description area. Okay? And we'll publish this page, and we want to make sure it's full width, up, publish page. And here, let me show you what the page looks like. So if we view page, open link in new tab. Okay, there we go, Fountains, Orange County. But take a look up here above these tabs. See how it says Fountains, Orange County and the phone number, and then Serenescape? This is from the title tag that we updated. So now that this is Google and everybody knows this is exactly what this page is about. So there's no discrepancies, okay? It's very important. All right. So what we do next is, and then also right here in the URL, you see how clean that is? Serenescape.net Fountains, Orange County. Okay, perfect. So then we'll add another page. And this one's going to be Landscape Lighting, Orange County. And we'll just do the same exact thing here. Break up this content a little bit. Landscape Lighting, Orange County. Landscape Lighting, Orange County. Okay. Full width page. Title tag for the SEO pack. Brief description. And then we can have the phone number here. Publish that page. And let's name this page Services. Alright guys, we've created all these pages, but now look what's happened here. Our main menu up here is just full of this. I mean, we keep adding pages, it's not going to be very attractive. We want to clean this up, so ultimately what we're going to do is have all of these specific services underneath this services tab. Okay? So I'm going to show you guys how to do that. So basically with this theme, and themes are going to be different in terms of how you do this, but with this specific theme, what we'll do is, we're on Fountains, Orange County, this page right now. We want to go to make, see where it says parent right here? We want to change the parent to be the services page. And we'll update that. And look what happens here. That one's Fountains, Orange County. If I refresh the page, it's gone. And now it's underneath the services tab. Okay? So we'll go to all pages, and we'll do this for the other page as well. landscape lighting. We'll edit that page, and we'll have the parent become services. Update that, and now we just tightened up our website. It looks a lot more attractive. All our services are in one place. Boom. There you go. Alright guys, I have an update for you here. I went ahead and upgraded this local business theme to the Pro version. I did this because there are a couple of features that were left out of the free version that I feel are absolutely necessary if you're a local business and you're ultimately trying to stimulate leads. Okay, so what I'm going to do is walk you through each field here and explain to you what they are and what you need to include with them. Obviously, this one right up here is the logo, so just upload your logo image here, wherever that may be. The custom fave icon, if you guys are familiar, it's not a lot of people know what this is, but you will once I explain it to you. Up here, if you look on this tab, you see this empty box. There's one right here. I'll click, so you'll be able to, one right there, one right there. And it's a great way to brand. So if you have a tiny little icon that you can put up there, or a logo, a small picture, something like that that identifies what your business is, it's a great way to, when people have several tabs up here, they can identify what that is. So it's a cool feature to be able to have some additional branding. All right, let's see, the body background image, that's going to be I just feel that this is too clean, so I'm gonna leave it this way. I like it being too clean. You can put any background there that you'd like. It's just going to change this background. It's not going to do anything inside the perimeter of the website. So, and upload that. Top right contact details, that's going to be this information over here, the phone number. Your tracking code, this is your Google Analytics. So if you're familiar with that, you can put your your tracking code in there. That's going to be able to track your visitors, where they're coming from, how many visitors you have a day, what type of device they're coming, just all sorts of good stuff. So I highly recommend that. Okay, let's go to slider settings. This is really cool. With the free theme, you only get one option for this. Okay, with this one image, you get 7. So pretty self-explanatory here. You basically upload your image and provide a link to that image if you want to link to a page, or and I think I showed you that earlier. If not, I'll show you how to do that again. So basically, you can link these images to specific pages, or wherever you'd like them to go once they click that image. All right. Home page. So basically, say on your home page here, you had an image. This image right here linked to exterior home landscape lighting design at night or something like that. Okay, that would take them to that page if you had a link to that page in this image. All right, let's see here, homepage feature area. Okay, first feature heading. This is right here. This travel safe with us. The next one, second feature, that's going to be the heading and then description. So that's going to be this heading right here, description. Third one, heading, description. You go down. Left feature heading is going to be this right here, this big area. There's the heading and the description area. And then the YouTube right feature section, you're going to enter, I showed you guys, you can put in a video here, and I showed you guys how to do that with YouTube earlier. Okay. Styling options. This is awesome. Okay, with the free theme, you only get the blue, what it comes with by default. But you can change this. Let's go to this. I have it selected at olive right now. Let's check out coffee. Save all changes. And the colors are just fantastic. They're really crisp. There you go. That looks pretty cool, actually. So ultimately, you're just changing within clicks of a button the entire look of your site. It's pretty cool. In seconds. Let's see what orange looks like. That'll probably look pretty wild. Let's see. Probably a bit too much. Yeah, bit much. So, and then you got, let's see here. Green might be okay. I think I like the olive the best though. That's actually pretty nice. Okay, so you get the idea. So like I said, the free version only comes with the blue, and the Pro comes with several of these. It looks like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 or so, 9 or 10. Okay, then you have your social logos. This is another thing that's really important if you're a local business. So basically, what you're going to do is put in your Twitter URL, your Facebook, Google Plus, LinkedIn, YouTube, and Pinterest, and that's going to populate all those up here, up top, once you put those in here. So you're going to be connected, which is going to improve your overall web presence, which I go through in my Websites Made Easy membership site. So if you're looking to really connect everything online, improve your web presence, ultimately that's what that website's all about, that membership site. Okay, so footer settings, you can put in some footer text here, which is going to be like sometimes people put stuff down here in the bottom in this area right here, like additional locations, like for their county or their specific cities, things like that. It's good for SEO purposes. And SEO options, meta keywords, we went through this. The meta keywords are going to be those descriptions that are going to be in the middle of your page. Here, I'll show you. But you really don't need to be concerned with this, but I'll just show you. It's that all-in-one SEO pack. And as a matter of fact, I would just not even worry about this, because just go with the all-in-one SEO pack, because this isn't going to address every page like we've gone through. It's just going to do the overall site for the home page. So we want to cover every single page. So just stick with the all-in-one SEO pack. And it looks like that's it for that. So pretty cool. So if you're interested in upgrading to this Pro version, there's a link in the description area that'll take you to that page to where you can see what you get with the Pro version. But as far as I'm concerned, if you're serious about your local business and you really are looking to stimulate leads and get some pretty good traction online, it's imperative to have a contact us form up top, which is a lead capture form. And this is above the fold, which is fantastic. And what that means is that when someone comes to a home page of a website, anything that you see before, you have to start scrolling down. So once I start scrolling down, that's below the fold. Okay? So when someone comes to this website and they say, oh wow, Serenascape, maybe they've done a little quick they've read the meta description on the search results when they typed in landscape design Newport Beach, and they've clicked through and they're like, okay, and they see some attractive pictures here, a nice website, and they're like, you know what, I don't want to give these guys a call right now. Let me just give them, you know, my name, email address, and ask them for like a free quote or something like that. Boom, there it is. And you just never know. I mean, some people are not comfortable speaking on the phone, and maybe their preferred method of contact is by email. So the more information you have to be able to connect with people, the better. So I highly recommend this. This in and of itself would be the decision right here for me to change over to the Pro version. So, all right. Well, that's that. Thanks. With your new website set up the way I've explained, and unique fresh content being posted to the site, you'll start to see new listings for your website and improve visibility in just 14 to 30 days. This is something you can do. I've shown you there's no need to have a fear of technology, a fear of cost, or a fear of time commitments required to benefit from the internet. Now it's about taking action. Top rankings, more exposure, more business. Now we've just scratched the surface here. There's lots of simple things we can do to get you more leads and business and grow cash flow from the internet. Do me a favor, leave a comment below and tell me what you thought of this video.